we will learn how to run a for loop in Python. So let me define a loop which will print the values 1, 2, 3, 4. So for I in range 1, 5 and then a colon, and if I print the value of I, it will print 1, 2, 3, 4. So notice here that the print I is indented. There is a space here and it's a little bit inside. So this is what tells us that the print I is a part of the loop. Now, if I want to print something after the loop, which is some lines after it, so let me say print loop over. So notice that this print loop over is starting from the same point that for started from, and print I was little bit inside. So print I is the part which is the loop, and then print loop over is after the loop. So now if we run it, we should get 1, 2, 3, 4 and we will get a loop over. If I wanted to have another line here, suppose I wanted to also say suppose I wanted to say z is equal to 4 into I, and then I wanted to print z. Now if I run it, I get 4, 8, 12, 16 and then a loop over. So both these lines are inside the loop here. I could have also said, let me try and make a string s1 is equal to say 4 into, and then what do I want to concatenate with it? 4 into I. So to concatenate it, I'll have to make it stri and then plus an equal to sign, and this will be equal to the value of z, so I'll have to make it stz, and then if I print s1, so now all these three lines here are within the loop, for loop, and this loop over is after the loop. So let me just run it, and what do I get? 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, and so on, and then we get a loop over. So this is how we run a for loop in Python.